Hello friends, welcome to iREAP POS. In this video, we've received a device from Nexgo, the P300. This is what it looks like, the Nexgo P300. This is an Android-based smart POS device. It's a complete package. It can directly print receipts and scan barcodes. It also supports NFC, so you can accept transactions from any bank cards. For the specifications, it runs on Android 14. In this video, we will try making a transaction using the iREAP POS application. Does the Smart POS P300 support the iREAP Pro Cashier application? All right, let's get started. First, turn on the power button on the side. For those of you who just bought this device for the first time, you need to install the iREAP Pro Cashier app first from the Play Store. Since I already installed it, I'll just open the app directly. Okay, on the main menu, first go to Settings, then find Printer Model, and select Nexgo P300. The Nexgo Smart POS also supports logo printing, so scroll down and check Print Logo. Then choose your logo. The maximum logo size here is 256 pixels. Select the folder where you saved your logo. I put mine in the Download folder. After that, go back to the main menu and click the Sales menu to make a sales transaction. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new transaction. Tap the plus icon again to select the items you want to sell. To add quantity, tap the item and increase the quantity purchased. Then tap Save. Once it's done, tap the Cash Payment button. Don't forget to check Print Receipt to Printer, then tap Confirm Payment. As you can see, the Nexgo P300 Smart POS works very well with the iREAP Pro Cashier application, guys. So for those of you who are already using the iREAP Pro Cashier app, you don't need to hesitate to buy the Nexgo P300 Smart POS. All right, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.